Today we are gathered here to celebrate the graduation of Class 21-004. For the past 3 weeks, these NCOs have learned leadership, counseling, coaching, mentoring, Army writing, critical thinking, and problem solving to prepare them as leaders in their respective recruiting and retention battalions. At this time, I'll introduce our guest speaker, Sergeant Major Chad Allen. Sergeant Major Chad Allen was born in Fort Dodge, Iowa, and enlisted in the active Army in 1997. He completed his basic combat training at Fort Knox, Kentucky, and graduated AIT from Aberdeen Proving Grounds as a wheeled vehicle mechanic in January of 1998. Sergeant Major Allen has held numerous leadership positions throughout his career and currently serves as a recruiting and retention operations Sergeant Major for the Kansas Army National Guard in Topeka, Kansas. Sergeant Major Allen's leadership positions include Senior Maintenance NCO, Shop Foreman, Recruit Sustainment Program Senior Trainer, Recruiting and Retention Section Chief, Company First Sergeant, and Operations Sergeant Major. Ladies and gentlemen, Sergeant Major Chad Allen.
Again, currently serve as the Operations Sergeant Major in Topeka, Kansas, and have been a part of the straight maintenance community for over 16 years. Can't believe it. What I'd like to challenge you today, every day, is growing your leadership. All right, push yourself out of your comfort zone every single day to grow as in your leadership. What you have to do is strive to become an empowering leader. All right, and a healthy leader is an empowering leader. All right, if you do that, I promise the people that work for you, eventually, you will be very successful. While attending SLC myself in 2010, we read a book. It's called Who Moved My Cheese, if you remember First Sergeant Myers. Basically, the genesis of the book is if we had two mice, they went to the same cheese station every single day, right? They went there every single day, cheese, cheese, cheese. One day, there was no cheese, right? Well, AKA COVID, right? So COVID hit the two mice, and eventually they decided, hey, they had to make a decision. Line in the sand. One way, you stay there and hope cheese arrives. The other way, no cheese arrives, and you go find some other cheese. Well, one mice decided, I'm going to go get some cheese. Spoiler alert, the other decided to stay and died, right? The moral of the story is, don't get stuck in your dated thoughts. Don't get stuck in a rut. Don't get stuck in your antiquated ways, or what worked today may not work tomorrow, okay? Also, in developing refining your leadership style is very, very important at this level, at the production level. All right, so when you become an E8, you're expected to be a subject matter expert and an expert in your field and an expert in leadership, okay? What I like to follow is the 3 Fs, okay? The 3 Fs, what are the 3 Fs you ask? The first F is to be fair. Always be fair, all right? Make sure that you utilize the golden rule and treat others as you would like to be treated, or as you would have liked to have been treated as an E6, okay? The second F is to be friendly, all right? Be as friendly as the situation will allow. Sometimes you have to have tough conversations as a leader. We've all been a part of tough conversations. We may have been chewed out, or we may have been, or seen someone get chewed out, all right? But be as friendly as the situation will allow, and I promise everything will turn out okay. The third F is to be firm. All right, inspect what you expect. Hold the standard, hold the line that you tell all your subordinates to follow every single day. If you follow the 3 Fs, you're fair, you're firm, you're friendly, I promise you'll be successful as a leader. All right, I know you guys are trying to get up out of here, so I'm the last line of defense to get you guys out of here, to get you back to your families, so I'll keep it short. And again, in closing, hey, we are in unprecedented times, right? COVID has moved our cheese. All right, but your state and your leadership needs each and every one of you to get home and make mission if you haven't already. All right, get back. You've taken a 3-week break here. Get back to your states. If there's still some mission to be had, go get it. All right, you are the future leaders of your organizations. Learn and grow and develop yourself as a leader every single day. Hopefully through reflection, and you have learned something here during your time at the PEC. Good luck in your careers and future goals, and go win, because winning matters. Kansas proud. Thank you.
Sergeant Major Allen, thank you for those encouraging words.